Namaste. Welcome to SvasthaSutra. This is a short guided meditation to release work stress and bring calm back to your mind. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out tension. Allow your shoulders to soften. Let go of the weight you have been carrying all day. You do not need to solve anything right now. You do not need to fix anything. Allow yourself to pause. Imagine your breath gently washing through your mind, clearing away stress, pressure, and mental noise. With every exhale, your body feels lighter. With every inhale, your mind becomes calmer. You are safe in this moment. You are doing enough. Allow this calm to settle deeply within you. Slowly become aware of your breath again. And when you feel ready, gently your eyes. Carry this calm into the rest of your day. SvasthaSutra.